If CapCut is giving you error code 22, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to exporting your video without the frustration. Error code 22 is usually tied to export issues, corrupted media, or performance settings inside CapCut, and the good news is that most people can solve it without reinstalling the app or starting their project over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Now, let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is to disable hardware acceleration. This setting can help CapCut run faster on some devices, but in other cases, it can cause export failures like error code 22. To turn it off, open CapCut and click the menu icon in the top left corner. From there, go into Settings, then select Performance. Look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding or Hardware Acceleration. Uncheck that box, then click Save. After that, fully restart CapCut so the change takes effect. Once the app reopens, try exporting your video again and see if the error is gone. This simple step solves the issue for a lot of users because it removes pressure from the GPU and forces CapCut to rely less on hardware processing. If that does not fix it, the next thing you need to check is whether there is a corrupted file in your timeline. Sometimes one broken clip, one damaged effect, or one missing asset can stop the entire export process. To troubleshoot this, go through your timeline frame by frame and look for anything suspicious. Watch for black clips, glitchy sections, missing thumbnails, frozen frames, or effects that do not load correctly. If you find a problem clip, delete it and then re-import the media or reapply the effect. In many cases, replacing that one damaged item is enough to remove the render block and let your project export normally again. This part is important because CapCut error code 22 is often caused by just one bad element buried somewhere in the project. Next, clear the app cache. Over time, CapCut stores temporary files that can become bloated or even corrupted, and that can lead to strange export errors. To clear it, go to Settings and open the Drafts tab. Then look for the cache size and click the trash button next to it. This will remove unnecessary temporary data from the app. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut and test your export again. If the app was struggling because of old or corrupted cache files, this step can make a big difference and improve overall performance too. If you are still seeing error code 22, the final fix is to lower your export settings. Sometimes the project is just too heavy for the current settings CapCut is trying to use. Open the export menu and reduce your resolution first. For example, if you are exporting in 4K, try switching to 1080p instead. You should also try lowering the frame rate to 30 frames per second or even lower if needed. If available, reduce the bitrate as well. These changes make the export less demanding, which can help CapCut complete the render successfully instead of failing halfway through. This is especially useful for longer videos, high-resolution footage, or projects with lots of effects and transitions. So to recap, if you want to fix CapCut error code 22, start by disabling hardware acceleration, then check for corrupted clips, clear the cache, and lower your export settings. In most cases, one of these four methods will solve the problem and get your video exported properly. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a useful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.